Shape Up, Fun with Triangles and Other Polygons, written by David A. Adler. What is a polygon? It's a flat shape with all straight sides. Now that's what I call a square meal. With 2 slices of American cheese, a toothpick, pretzel sticks, plain paper, graph paper, a pencil, a plastic knife, and a slice of bread, you can learn more about them. You can also eat if you get hungry. Triangles. Put a slice of American cheese on a plate. With the tip of a toothpick, poke 3 holes in the cheese. The holes should not be in a line. With the edge of a toothpick, cut the cheese by connecting the holes with the straight lines. You have made a flat 3-sided figure, a cheese triangle. Triangles are 3-sided polygons. Make another cheese triangle. Do they look the same? They probably don't. While all triangles are closed shapes with 3 straight sides, not all triangles are the same. This is a cheesy subject. Look at either one of your cheese triangles. Is every side a different length? If every side is a different length, your cheese triangle is a scaling triangle. With the pretzel sticks, you can learn about another kind of triangle. Arrange the pretzels with the ends touching so they form a triangle. Since each pretzel stick is the same length, each side of the triangle is the same. A triangle with 3 equal sides is an equilateral triangle. Now take a bite of one of the pretzel sticks. Arrange the half-eaten pretzel and 2 remaining pretzel sticks to form a triangle. You have made a triangle with just 2 equal sides. You have made an isosceles triangle. The sides of a triangle determine if it is scaling, isosceles, or equilateral triangles. The angles of a triangle also determine what kind of triangle it is. Take 2 pretzel sticks. Place them on a flat surface, not in a line, so that the end of one pretzel touches the end of another. The other end should not touch. The 2 pretzel sticks form an angle. Each pretzel is one side or arm of the angle. The point where the pretzel sticks meet is the vertex of the angle. Put your finger on the vertex. Hold it there. Now move the other sides of the pretzel sticks farther apart. The angle is getting larger. Move the ends closer together. Now the angle is getting smaller. Now, get a round sheet of paper. Fold the paper once so that it has a straight edge. Fold the paper again so 1/2 of the straight edge falls on top of the other. Where the 2 side edges meet, they form an angle, a right angle. Draw some triangles on a sheet of paper. Each triangle has 3 angles. Use your paper right angle to measure the angles of the triangles you drew. If any angle you measure is also a right angle, the triangle is a right triangle. Do you see my point? If any angle is larger than the right angle, that triangle is an obtuse triangle. If all 3 angles in the triangle are smaller than the right angle, the triangle is an acute angle or acute triangle. Quadrilaterals. Now, make 4 dots anywhere on a sheet of paper, but not in a line. Connect the dots with straight lines to form a 4-sided closed figure. You have drawn a quadrilateral. Make 4 more dots anywhere on the sheet of paper. Connect them and form another quadrilateral. Do they look the same? They probably don't. While all quadrilaterals are closed shapes with 4 straight sides, Not all quadrilaterals are the same. Using graph paper, you can learn more about quadrilaterals. There are two kinds of lines on the graph paper. Horizontal. There are horizontal across lines, vertical, and vertical up and down lines. Each horizontal line is parallel with every other horizontal line on the page. There is always the same distance between them. Each vertical line is parallel too, with every other vertical line on the page. Make two separate dots on one horizontal line. Then, on another horizontal line, make two separate dots a little farther apart from the first pair. Connect the dots and draw a quadrilateral. Since two sides of the quadrilateral are parallel, you drew a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral in which one pair of sides is parallel. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel is a parallelogram. There's a special kind of parallelogram. Use your paper, right angle, to measure its angles. Each should be a right angle, a rectangle, a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. Take 4 pretzel sticks and arrange them with ends touching to form a quadrilateral without right angles. Each pretzel stick is the same length, so each side of the quadrilateral is the same. You've made a rhombus, a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides. Did somebody say Roomba? Now, arrange the 4 pretzel sticks to form a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. Each side is the same length. Each angle is a right angle. The pretzel quadrilateral is a square. Look at your pretzel square. Its opposite sides are parallel, so it's a parallelogram too. Each angle is a right angle, so it's a rectangle too. A square is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Other polygons. Now take a slice of bread with a plastic knife. Trim the sides so it has 4 straight sides. It is the shape of a quadrilateral. Cut a corner off. Now the bread has 5 sides. A 5-sided polygon is a pentagon. Cut off another corner. Now it has 6 sides. A 6-sided polygon is a hexagon. Cut off another corner. Now it has 7 sides. A 7-sided polygon is a heptagon. Cut off the last corner. Now it has 8 sides. An 8-sided polygon is an octagon. Now that's a shape I definitely know. If you really like playing with food, keep going. A 9-sided polygon is a nonagon. A 10-sided polygon is a decagon. 11-sided polygon is a hendecagon. A 12-sided polygon is a deuteragon. Whew, I'm exhausted. Look in your kitchen for polygon-shaped things. Look in your classroom too. Keep on the lookout for polygons. They're everywhere.